Hello viewers, welcome to K Diagnostics. Dio here. We are sitting inside a 2010 Toyota Corolla. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your maintenance required light. This light comes on when your vehicle is due for an oil change. So I'm going to start the engine so that you can see the light that's remaining on. So right there, the engine is running and this light over here remains on. So this light that says maintenance required is on, and this light remains on when your vehicle is due for an oil change. So I already changed the oil on this vehicle, so I'm going to show you how to reset this light. You reset this light after changing your oil. So the first thing you have to do is you have to turn your engine off and turn the key on, and then you're going to press this button. You're going to press it until it says Trip A on this little display. So let's press this button. Let me zoom you guys in so you can see. So right there, we're going to press once there, Trip A. Now that it's on Trip A, we're going to turn the key off, and then I'm going to press and hold that button, and then we're going to turn the key on. And right there you can see the maintenance required light is blinking. So right there. So as you saw, the maintenance required light has been reset. So now what I need to do, I also have to reset these numbers here on Trip A. So we're gonna press and hold that button one more time. As you can see, it reset the Trip A to 0. So the numbers on Trip A pretty much tell you when your oil change is due, okay? This tells you the mileage when your oil change is due. So as you can see right now, our maintenance required light is reset. So now I'm going to turn the ignition off. Now let's start the engine and see if our maintenance required light will remain off. So I'm going to start the engine. So right there, as you can see, the maintenance required light is now off. So right there guys, I'm gonna leave it right over here. This is how you reset your maintenance required light on a 2010 Toyota Corolla. Basically on most Corollas, this is how you reset your maintenance required light. And remember to do this after changing your oil. So I'm gonna leave it right over here guys. I hope you like this video. If you do like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't, give it a thumb down. But if you do, you gotta tell me why so we can make better videos in the future. If this is your first time here, subscribe to the channel. Ring the bell so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Thanks for watching guys. See you next time.